In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a Microsoft Word document. Before we start, make sure your document is open in Microsoft Word and that your printer is turned on and connected, either by USB or over your network. It's also a good idea to save your document so you don't lose any last-minute edits before sending it to the printer. From your open document, go to the File menu in the top left corner and choose Print. This takes you to Word's print screen, where you'll see a preview of your pages and all the print options in one place. If you prefer shortcuts, you can get here faster by pressing Ctrl+P on Windows or Command+P on a Mac. Both open the same print menu. At the top, select the printer you want to use. If you have only one printer installed, it may already be selected as the default. If you don't see your printer, double-check that it's powered on and connected, and that your computer is on the same network if it's a wireless printer. Next, choose how many copies you want. If you're printing more than one, you can keep them collated so page order is preserved in each set. Now decide which pages to print. You can print all pages, just the current page, or a custom range, like pages 2 through 5, if you only need part of the document. This is helpful for longer files, or when you're reprinting a specific section. Take a moment to review the print preview. This is your chance to confirm that margins, page breaks, and overall layout look right. If something seems off, go back to the document to adjust spacing or page setup. Within the print menu, you can also fine-tune settings such as orientation, paper size, color or grayscale, single or double-sided printing, and scaling options like fitting content to the page. These adjustments don't change your document, they only affect how it prints. When everything looks good, click the Print button. Word will send the job to your selected printer. Depending on your printer, there may be a brief pause while it warms up or spools the job. If nothing prints after a moment, check the printer's display or your computer's print queue for messages about paper, ink, or connectivity. To recap, open your file, go to File, Print, check your printer and settings, and click Print, or use Ctrl+P on Windows or Command+P on a Mac to jump straight to the same options. That's all you need to confidently print your Word documents.